Shocking, the Tesla 4680 battery got stolen. The world of electric vehicles is progressing, and it's taking a really impressive turn. Tesla, the world's most well-known electric vehicle manufacturer, boasts not just the best cars, but also the best batteries. That title is about to change hands as StoreDot, a well-known battery manufacturer, has created an exact replica of Tesla's Super 4680 battery cell. Greetings everyone, hello there, and thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. This is where we talk about the most recent news, rumors, and viewpoints. So let's get started. But first, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our future Tesla material. Join us as we investigate Israel's clone of Tesla's 4680 battery cell and see if it can truly replace Tesla's super battery. Tesla, Elon Musk mind-blowing electric vehicle company, has a monopoly on the EV market in both the United States and countries that adopt electric vehicles. Not only do these technologically advanced cars have high definition, quick speeds, but they also have the most robust and long-lasting batteries. Had the most sturdy and long-lasting batteries. I'll say now, Tesla's batteries dominated the EV battery industry until recently. Tesla batteries and automobiles have effortlessly commanded a stranglehold on the EV market, thanks to the 18650 battery cell, the first of its kind, and the not-so-recent 2170. And now, with the production of the 4680 battery cell, this company believes it has cemented its position as the undisputed leader in the electric vehicle market. It literally means first among equals. The 4680 battery cells, which were unveiled by Elon Musk on Tesla's Battery Day, are expected to revolutionize EV battery life and offer Tesla an advantage over its competition. The tides have turned, however, as StoreDot, an Israeli company, has reproduced and improved on the 4680. Tesla is one of the most well-known electric vehicle manufacturers, with its technologically superior cars and high-definition features, including the Tesla Model's batteries. This corporation has established a monopoly in the market, and they differ from one model to the next. For example, 18650 cells are used in the Model S and X and are considered to be among the best battery cells available. The 2170 battery cell is found in the Model 3 and Model Y. This is due to the fact that these cars have distinct characteristics and technological components, implying that they would require much larger batteries, or their efficiency would be harmed. The breakthrough, codenamed 4680, would transform the performance of new Tesla cars. As a result, Tesla's EV strength would take on a new look. Tesla's latest battery model is the 4680, which is new, enhanced, and supersonic. It has all of Tesla's finesse and technological prowess. Panasonic developed the battery, which is more advanced than any other electric vehicle battery cell ever made. As a result, it's a big deal if a battery that required years of research and development by one business is copied in record time by another company with even better battery life. The StoreDot A series has a superior component to its predecessor, with the highlight feature of quick charging in a record-breaking 10 minutes. This sounds almost too good to be true, but the CEO's statements seem to back it up. Electric vehicles offer more than just a pretty face and a mind-blowing interior. It's like when you think about the components of a phone. The battery life is one of the first 5 things you think about before buying it. This is especially true for electric vehicles. After all, you wouldn't want to be in a hurry and have your battery die on you, would you? As a result, electric vehicle manufacturers are continuously seeking methods to improve their vehicles' battery technology. Tesla, the premier electric vehicle maker, is no exception, changing, rebranding, and redesigning their batteries and automobiles to meet the wants of their customers. The supersonic 4680 battery cell is the most recent innovation in their battery technology. Panasonic, one of the world's major manufacturers of batteries and other electronic products, created this battery. This cutting-edge technology is expected to power future Tesla vehicles, according to sources. The 4680 batteries will have 5 times the storage capacity of existing Tesla battery packs, while costing half as much to manufacture. A massive enhancement at a lower cost of production. The number 4680 relates to the battery size. It grows to 46 millimeters or 1.6 inches by 80 millimeters or 3.1 inches in height. According to Elon Musk, the new battery type will result in a 100-fold increase in battery output by 2030, and the new cell design would deliver 6 times the power of present cells. The improvement in better capacity, as well as a battery manufacturer, will give competitors a run for their money. The 4680 cylindrical structure is unique to Tesla because it is the only car maker that uses it. And the new 4680 cell's increased energy capacity isn't magic. The cell is simply bigger than the ones that are currently in use. The 4680 is 5.5 times larger in volume than the 2170 cells used in the Model 3 and Y battery packs, and 8.0 times larger than the 18650 cells used in the Model X and S battery packs. This means that the 4680 represents a complete departure from current practice. According to sources, the 4680 batteries would be utilized in the manufacture of the Cybertruck, which makes sense because what other battery would fit this technological behemoth? StoreDot is a startup company established in Israel that focuses on manufacturing electric vehicles and battery cells. Until recently, this company has remained off the radar of the rest of the world. The company has made its debut in the Tech Hall of Fame with its outstanding, clearly advanced copy of the 4680. Tesla unveiled the first 4680 cylindrical cells at Battery Day, and the firm announced that it has made them. Given the fact that Musk is not one to be trifled with, this is a difficult and potentially risky move. The corporation did not stop there. According to the release, this clone is far more advanced than the original, charging to capacity in just 10 minutes. Plato and Aristotle are classic examples. StoreDot is striving to scale up production to the point where it will be able to supply electric vehicle makers with XFC pouch cells that will cut charging periods in half. In China, StoreDot has begun shipping A-sample cells, which will be distributed to car firms for testing in the near future. StoreDot gives automakers a clear technology path for a flexible and quick transition to electrification, allowing for a cleaner world. StoreDot, the pioneer of extreme fast-charging battery technology for electric vehicles, announces its groundbreaking silicon-dominant technology employed in extreme fast-charging XFC cylindrical cells, said StoreDot CEO Dr. Doran Meiserdorf in a statement. The business presented a prototype of 4680 form factor that can be fully charged in under 10 minutes, which is a global first. StoreDot's ultra-fast charging cylindrical cells, which have been in development for over 3 years, use the 4680 formats, which are becoming increasingly popular among worldwide automakers. Warwick University in the United Kingdom has begun pioneering work on these game-changing technologies. Achieving the aim of exceptionally rapid charging, a cylindrical cell in only 10 minutes, has been on StoreDot's technology roadmap from day one, the CEO continues. I am really proud of the successful teamwork across our globe that enabled this significant achievement after 3 years of intense development and testing, harnessing numerous vectors of our world-class research. It's critical that we can provide electric vehicle makers with a variety of cell forms that use our XFC technology to address the current challenges to EV ownership, like as range and charging anxiety. The Israel-based firm is confident in its accomplishment and claims to be able to mass-produce the revolutionary cell by 2024. StoreDot anticipates having fully functional products at that point, allowing the company to move quickly from concept to production. The firm is also working on solid-state technology. By 2028, it is expected to be in mass production. There have been instances where copies of a product have outperformed their originals, and we would not dispute this. The Panasonic 4680, which was originally designed for Tesla, is now a one-of-a-kind vehicle with a large volume and the ability to handle any type of electric vehicle. It's nearly impossible to duplicate, let alone outperform such advanced technology. StoreDot, on the other hand, claims to have created a lookalike with all of the same features and more. This is both a commendable and dubious achievement. It's commendable because most automobile and battery manufacturers have attempted and failed to imitate a Tesla model battery and create something better. And we have to give it to StoreDot in order for them to develop something so spectacular. How can you manufacture such battery cells in just 3 years? A battery cell that belongs to one of the world's most technologically advanced companies. Don't you think this raises an eyebrow? The original 4680 is supposed to charge to capacity in just 15 minutes, but the clone is set to charge to full capacity in 10 minutes, implying that StoreDot, an Israeli business, has broken the record. The company claims to be the first to mass-produce silicon-dominant anode XFC technologies on a factory floor. The clone of the 4680 was given the name by the firm. The A-series has been in production for 3 years, and its introduction has marked a significant milestone for the company. YouTube is recommending you these videos to watch next. But before you go, do you think the Israel company will be able to compete against Tesla? Comment below and we'll answer as many of you as possible. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.